What's up everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all safe and sound and that you're ready for today's project. Today we're gonna use the combined Microcord and Paracord 550. So the main bracelet will be from the Paracord and we're gonna do the Microcord stitching. So stay tuned because tutorial is right around the corner. First I'm gonna take the ends of a cord, pull it through and find the center. So here you need to always leave an inch or so. Now when we've done this, we're gonna simply take and we're gonna make, let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see what I'm doing here. So from here we find the end of a bracelet will be in this place here. So we're gonna make the one cord on top of it, like so, and the other one will go on top of this right strand cord, as you can see, and around to the back, and from the back side through the loop here. The leading cord is the left one, so you will notice the leading cord is always the cord that headings to the back of the bracelet, and this one is on top of it. So we're gonna make it on top of the bracelet core. These two strands are the core of a future bracelet. So this one on top of the bracelet, this one on top of it, around and through. And we created the first weave. Now we're gonna continue. So on top, this one on top of the right strand cord from the back through the loop and through. So as you can see, this is very fast, very easy, and basic knot that you first learn when you start making the Paracord projects. So now when we reach this end here, when we left just with the loop from our bracelet, we're gonna take the ends of a cord and we're gonna insert it into this loop. So I'm gonna use a fit and I'm gonna make it through, like so, and I'm gonna take the other end and insert it also into the loop. And pull it. So now as you can see, we didn't finish the bracelet, we just pulled the cord through this loop here, and now we're gonna start stitching this bracelet up. So let me just zoom a bit. We're gonna insert the cord from the top of the bracelet into this left side loop. Like so. And we're gonna pull it. And from here, right side, we're gonna exit from the back through the top. And now from here, we're gonna find the middle of our microcord. Now we're gonna take the ends and we're gonna pull it by the ends until we reach the equal length. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna take the right side from the left side and we're gonna start with the stitching pattern. So from here we're gonna enter the microcord here in this loop, as you can see. Pull all the way through, like so. And then from here we're gonna just make it to the side like this, and again we're gonna enter in this loop from the top. So the second loop, and we are entering from the top. As you can see here. Now from here we're gonna insert our microcord in this loop here, also from the top. Now from here, take the microcord and insert it into the next loop. And now enter it here, in this loop here. So this is the basic stitching pattern for this awesome bracelet. And we're gonna proceed. So the next loop from the top. So as you can see, we almost reached the end of today's project. We entered the microcord into the loop here where those two paracords exit. Then we'll insert the paracords into those two loops on the other side of a bracelet. Now we're just left to finish this end here to make some kind of a stop knot. So I'm simply gonna take the end of microcord and make it on top of those two paracords, and I'm gonna simply start making the rounds or the turns around it. But be aware, you should not make this tight. We're gonna tighten it on the end when we pull through the needle and the end of a microcord so we can secure it on the end side like that, and then simply take the paracord fit or a needle and pull it through like so, and now from this end here pull it and tighten it well. So that will be it. Now we have the stop knot, as you can see here. Let's try the bracelet on. And here it is. Now pull it to make it tight. And as you can see, it fits well. You can adjust it. Now simply tuck this into under the bracelet like so, and then around and through those two loops we created by tucking it in. And here you have the secured bracelet with the end looking like this. So I hope you like this video. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. See ya, bye.